How to get a weapon while in Fortnite Creative 2024. So this is the updated version. This is super easy. It's going to take you like 3 minutes. So let's get into the video. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to your island settings. Then once you're in your island settings, you have to go to content. Then once you're in content, you have to go to galleries. Then once you're in galleries, you have to search up imposter, floor, and wall galleries. So just open that. Then once you're over here, you're gonna have to click on the seventh option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The seventh one being this one right here. So just click on place now. Then once you place that, what you have to do is go back, click on island settings again, go to content. Then once you're back at content, you have to go to devices. Then once you're at devices, you have to search up item placer. Click on place now. Place one over here, place one over here, and place one over here. Now what you're gonna do is go back to island settings, go back to content. Now just cut this out. Go back to devices. Under devices is going to be an option called weapons, so go over there and just put whatever gun you want, right? So I'm gonna get a pump, I'm gonna get a golden scar, and I'm gonna get a Midas drum gun. Now go back. Now place your weapons. So place one right here. You're gonna place one right here, and you're gonna come back over here and place one right here. So now that you place all the weapons, you want to make it look nice. So click on customize item placer. Scroll all the way down. Scroll down, scroll down. Can't be damaged at game start. Just turn that off. Scroll down again, scroll down again, scroll down again. Visual style, make that to all the way to the last one where it's that icon camera facing, right? So just click on OK. Now it looks nice. Do the same thing for this one right here. Go scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Can't be damaged at game start. Make sure that's no. Scroll down, visual style. Same thing, icon camera facing. Do the same thing for this one right here. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Visual style. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Make sure this is no. Click on OK. And that's how you get a weapon while in Fortnite Creative. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.